Egusi soup is one of the delicious soup in Africa. I was glad when a fan of mine asked me to teach him how to make this particular soup. I took it upon myself to make this video. I bought 1 cup of egusi and grounded it. This is the first step. It depends on the measure you want. Like, I'm just doing this for this practical and teaching video. So this is the vegetable I used. It's called okazi in my native language. I also bought stockfish, bonga fish and crayfish. I also bought fresh pepper, and let's go on to prepare this soup. This is the size of meat I bought from the market. This is me putting it inside the bowl. This is the fish I bought, so I put water inside the meat. And this is my pepper. I also bought pepper. I washed and put and pound it. And this is my red oil. I used palm red oil to cook this. And this is Maggi. And this is the grounded egusi. And this is Mr. Chef salt. That's what we use here. This is my meat pot, and this is me washing the meat. So I'm washing the meat and we are about to start our cooking. See me washing the meat and putting it inside the pot. Yeah, inside the meat pot. So the cooking is setting and it's really bothered about this. So this is me putting salt, putting my salt, putting my Maggi and on my fish, my stockfish, then covering it, putting small water and covering it. And just flow with the video, you will learn how to cook. I on my gas and put my pepper. This is me putting pepper. I removed the boiled meat from the pot, then I put it inside the bowl. Then I added water to the cooking pot. I allowed it to heat for like 3 minutes. Then I added my red oil. That's palm red oil. So when I added the red oil, I added the grounded egusi. So I allowed it to cook for like 2 minutes. Then I opened and stirred. When I stirred and turned the soup, like I waited for like 2 other minutes. Then I added my meat and my stockfish to it. After adding my stockfish to it, I allowed it to cook for like 3 minutes. This is the vegetable I bought. I brought it out from the nylon and washed it. After washing it, I washed it for like 3 or 4 times. After washing it, I added it to the soup. And after adding it to the soup, I allowed it to cook for like 5 seconds. Then I stir. After stirring, I allowed the soup to boil for like 2 minutes. Then I put it out for eating. See this? This is me when I'm stirring the soup. This is when I added Maggi to it, 1 cube of Maggi. And this is when I added my red pepper to it. I hope you like this soup. If you followed us to this level, to this hour, to this minute, I don't know how to thank you, but you have really tried for me. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, I know my voice today is not that vibrant. I'm not really feeling better today. I'm just trying to put up to post this video because it's been long. This fan of mine asked me to do this cooking video for him. This is when I washed the leaf. It's called ukazi. If you did not understand anything in this video, please don't forget to tell me in the comment section so that I can put it in writing and explain later, or maybe I will do this video again for you guys, because I'm not really feeling that strong today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to do better next time. This is the soup I cooked for you. Just running a fever. Thank you very much for watching me. Don't forget to share and like my video. Thank you. Like this, now you can serve it with the chilled eba. Okay, you can eat it with curry. This is when I added salt. Don't forget to add a pinch